When bolting your new motor in, on this car you can see the hole which goes on this nut here is sort of rectangular. That means it can go in one of two ways, this way or the other way. If you put this bracket on this bolt this way instead of rotating it all and putting it in that way, your wipers may end in an upwards position instead of a downwards position at the end of their cycle. That is not what you want. So imagine this being on the vehicle, which is exactly this way round. We've got the passenger side, the driver's side, and as you rotate this, you can see these nuts here turn like this. You want to make sure they're in the fully down position and then bolt this bracket on. Otherwise you're going to get wipers that stop like this. One other way to make sure is you can connect the harness to the car. Don't bolt anything in and just run a test. The last thing you want to do is assemble everything and your wipers stop up rather than down. Once you've figured out which is which, bolt the bracket on in the correct place, which is one of two options. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and hope your wipers work after watching this.